Are you looking to turn your skills into a steady income stream, whether you are a graphic designer or writer? Fiverr offers a platform to monetize your talents. Imagine working from anywhere, setting your own rates, and getting paid to do what you love. In this video, we'll show you the exact step to get started on Fiverr and start making money today. Ready to unlock your earning potential? Let's dive in. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into a fiverraffiliates.com. This is the homepage. As you can see here we have products, tire program, resources, help center, join now, dashboard login. Then we have here become a Fiverr affiliate, join the Fiverr affiliate program and start earning by recommending verticalize freelance talent. So all you have to do is click over join now to sign up. But before, let's go down to know other information like we have meets the products. Affiliates can choose to promote a variety of Fiverr products, Fiverr Pro, Logo Maker. Also we have our partner or first into an instant commission ranging from 2500% to 100% of the customer's first order and a 10% revenue share from all future orders placed by the customer in the first 12 months. Here we have marketplace gigs, pro services, logo maker. You can read more to know and to more understand. Then we have here everything you need to succeed. Provide our partners with top tier resources, infrastructure, and support. Missing something, reach out and you'll get it. Then we have here marketing tools, personal support, incentive dashboard, a wide range of offers. Then other information about how Fiverr affiliate material, your content creators, digital entrepreneurs, solution providers, online educators, marketers, and agencies. Here we have also a fix. We've gathered some of the most asked questions about our Fiverr affiliate program. First, we have what is the Fiverr affiliate program? How do I promote Fiverr? Do I need to reach a threshold before I get paid? How often are commissions paid? What does Fiverr affiliate links look like? And all you have to do is click over here and get your answers. As you can see, so if you want to sign up, all you have to do is come back to the top and click over join now. This is the home page if you want to sign up. So write your first name, last name, email address, username, password, confirm password, account type. Do you have a main source of traffic? Just respond by yes or no. Country, English. You can use here. I choose English. You can choose other language. Skype, as you can see. Then you click over next. Then you get your confirmation and email, and you start Fiverr. We have here dashboard, as you can see. We have marketing tools. We have reports, payments also, post back, sub affiliate, commission plan, affiliate store. So all you have to do right now is go to marketing tools, click on default and tip links. And here you can find these different affiliate links. So if you send someone to these affiliate links, it's going to send them straight to Fiverr to sign up to Fiverr platform now, and that's okay. But if you want to promote some specific offer and some specific service for Fiverr, then you would find that server that you want to promote. For example, here let's choose some video editing. As you can see, here we have a various videos. Choose one of the so let's choose for example this one. Then you click on the share button on the right hand side, click over here and you click to copy the link. As you do that, you would go back to Fiverr and then simply click over the link and you paste the link. Once you click that, that's going to give you special affiliate links for the offer in particular. And now when someone clicks on your affiliate link, they will be sent to this service from which you earn commission if they invest in the service. But even if they don't buy the service and they go to something else, you will still earn commission because they use your affiliate link to sign up. Now let's talk about how to share your affiliate links on social media. First, we have here Quora. As you can see, this is the home page. You can just click over research and choose the question that you want. For example, video editing, because we choose video editing first. Then you will find various questions. All you have to do is respond to these questions and advise people to click over this link to more understand about video editing. Also, you can create a post and asking about video editing. If someone responds, all you have to someone asks, sorry, all you have to do is respond and explain clearly. Then you give them the link of the video editing. Then you get commission. Also, you can use Reddit. As you can see, this is the homepage, reddit.com. You can find all of subreddit related to the services that you are promoting. And again, video editing has just one of the kind of services that you can promote. There's literally all sorts of different things, including graphic design, programming and teach, digital marketing, video and animation, writing and translation, music, business, consulting, and others. Then create affiliate links for each and then find people that are interested in this. Join different subreddit and sublet, start promoting your links. Don't be spammy, but provide some value, answer questions, and at the end you can say, hey, this is one that I use. If you want to check it out, here is a link. That's how you can potentially approach this. So using social media on Fiverr can significantly boost your freelance career by increasing its visibility, building a personal brand, and attracting clients like Reddit and Quora. Also, you can use Facebook by creating a business page to share your Fiverr gigs, client testimonials, and updates. So, Fiverr is a versatile online marketplace offering freelance services across various fields, including graphic design, writing, programming, and digital marketing. It connects businesses and individuals with freelancers who can provide specialized services quickly and affordably. By leveraging Fiverr, users can access a vast pool of talents to complete projects efficiently, making it an excellent resource for outsourcing tasks and finding skilled professionals for short-term or long-term collaboration. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.